Good morning, everybody. It is Monday. I just got up. It is about 8 a.m. and I actually slept in this morning. I normally get up around 6:40, 6:50 and do my workout, but I did not get up. I ended up sleeping in a little bit, and so we're on summer break, so I'm not like sticking to a super strict schedule or anything, but I don't usually start my vlogs in the morning, just because, especially on Mondays, I just get up and I have a lot of cleaning to do and stuff, because for our family on the weekends we pick up a little bit after ourselves, but we don't really like clean the house on the weekends. We just kind of enjoy time as a family, and since I stay home with my kids anyways, I have plenty of time during the week to clean up. So I thought I would show you realistically what my kitchen is looking like right now, because I'm going to clean it up in just a little bit. We went grocery shopping this weekend and got a lot of stuff from Costco and Walmart, and so I need to clean out my fridge so that I can kind of like organize that better, because there's a lot of stuff in there right now, and I need to go through my pantry as well. So we have a lot of stuff out on the counters right now, just because I didn't see the point of trying to fit it all in there if I was just going to take stuff out to organize it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my workout, and then we're gonna clean. So let me show you what my kitchen is looking like. So here's realistically what my kitchen's looking like this morning. I do like to try to do the dishes at night, but I didn't do that last night. So as you can see, we have dishes in the sink. We have some dishes that I cleaned yesterday that need to be put away. The groceries need to be put away. A lot of stuff's just thrown in there. I used to have it all nice and organized, so we're just gonna go ahead and clean this up a little bit today and see what else we have time to do. The pantry is done. Here's a little update. I just went ahead and organized the top a little bit more with stuff we don't really use. This is like our snack bin, and this is more like treats. Like we have stuff for s'mores in there, our coconut crisps, stuff like that. And then this is all like our pastas, and then this is like our baking supplies. And then down here
We have the cereal for the kids for breakfast. On the very bottom they have oatmeal, and then they each have like a snack bin that I fill up every week, and then just some extra stuff for breakfast back there. A lot of tuna, and then back in the back is where I put our bone broth. And then this bin, I can't remember where I got it, but this works so well for our cans so that they don't take up a bunch of space. So all of our cans are in that bin. And then down on this bottom row is just stuff that's extra. I've got like my beans and rice and sliced almonds and that kind of stuff in those big mason jars. And then here we have like our extra mayonnaise and spaghetti sauce, pasta sauce, all that good stuff. And we've got our oil, we've got some soy sauce back there, and then this is where we keep our onions, garlic, and we've got some bags of potatoes down there, and then back there's potatoes, and then we got a big bag of onions, and then we got all of our water in here. The only thing I forgot is the LaCroix, so I'm gonna have to probably move those two top things of water and put the LaCroix on there. But yes, much better than before, and I got the counter cleaned off. I also cleaned out this pantry. I don't really know what it is, but those are all our paper towels from Kirkland's. They're just kind of thrown up there, but we've got like our rice cooker, our Instant Pot, air fryer, and then down here is like where I keep our cleaning supplies and stuff. So I've got like extra cling wrap and foil and bags, and then we've got like our microfiber cloths that I use on the counters. We've got some dish soap, hand soap, and then Rigby's things. And then down here is where I keep like the kids' lunch stuff. So their lunch boxes, this is just extra napkins and stuff, and then their plastic forks and utensils. And then we've got some food for Rigby in that bag. That food we use like as treats when we don't want to give him a bunch of treats. And then that is his everyday food. And then we've got a bag of rice back there and our giant bag of flour. So both of these are now all organized. Alright, fridge is done. We got the drinks all nice and organized up there. Everything fits much better. We can actually see what's in here. I moved all the produce into the produce drawers. The meats. We have this little divider, which I really like in our fridge because I can put all of our sauces here. So I got all my guacamoles in there. Just went quickly, like looked over all the stuff. Oh, this by the way is my elderberry syrup. It's leaking, don't mind that. But anyways, I went through the door and made sure there was nothing expired and got rid of anything that wasn't good. So that is looking much, much better. And then the freezer is still very full, but I got everything to fit and I know where everything is. This is our fruits and veggies. We've got some bread and hot dog buns, and then underneath that is some extra meat, and we've got some chicken and some pizzas. And then this is like edamame, steamable edamame. That's for my son's birthday. And then all of our like breakfast and snacky stuff and some leftovers. So feeling much better about that. And now I'm just going to clean up this new mess that I created and we will be all done.
Hey guys, it is a couple days since that last clip you guys just saw. It is now Wednesday afternoon and I am actually getting ready to wrap some presents for my son. His birthday is tomorrow and he is turning 12, which is really exciting. But we have a lot of family out of state, and so I've been getting lots of packages from them over the past couple weeks and I've just been collecting them. So I'm going to open them all up and wrap them all so that tomorrow we can give them to our son and he can unwrap them and all of that good stuff. But for us, we actually are doing something a little bit different this year. I've been wanting to redo his room for the longest time, and so around Christmas time we actually got him a new bed frame, and I was gonna hold off on giving it to him, but we figured if we had it we might as well give it to him then. So he's had that for a while now, but I've had this like vision in my head of what I wanted his room to look like and how I wanted to decorate it, and he's really into video games and that sort of thing, and he just needs a big boy room. He's getting older, and ever since we moved into our new house I've decorated my daughter's room and I haven't had a chance to do his. So we got a bunch of fun stuff for his room, so I thought I would go ahead and show you guys what we got. Alright, so like I said, he really likes video games, so that's kind of the theme we're going for. So the main thing that I got are these 3 signs, and I ordered the frames separately, but I just thought these were so cute. It says, "You can't just pause a game, just 5 more minutes. When life gets hard, it means you just leveled up." So I thought that those were really cute, and I think that'll look really nice on his wall. And then I got him this pillowcase, and I bought the pillow separate for his chairs because I'll show you guys his bed, but we got him a loft bed, and so it's a black frame loft bed, and underneath he has like a desk area, and so we actually gave him 2 of our old dining chairs. So I got some black chair covers for those, and then I got this pillow to go on one of them. And then we got these LED strips, which I'm really excited about. I got the green color, and so I'm going to put these underneath his bed right above his desk, and it'll just glow under there, and I think it'll look really cool. He really likes like green and black. That's like his color scheme right now, so I think he's really gonna like it. And then I also picked up this basket. We're going to mount this on the wall above where he sleeps because he reads a lot and he likes to read at night and when he wakes up. So that way he can put a couple books in there and he doesn't have to get down and go to his bookshelf to get it. They're just right there and he can grab it and read whenever he wants. So that is what we got for his room. We did get him a couple gifts too that we'll put in there. But yeah, I'm really excited. I think it's gonna look really good. We didn't have to get a whole lot of stuff because I have gotten him, like I got him curtains already. He already has bedding. Like I said, the main thing we got was the bed frame, and he's had that since around Christmas time. But I just think this will take his room to the next level. So very excited. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap all of these gifts and we'll be all ready for tonight. It is Thursday, almost afternoon. I have just been hanging out this morning with the kids. Today is my son's birthday, so we went out this morning and grabbed breakfast, and I'm actually about to make his cake. But the clip before this, you guys saw the room transformation last night. I'm really excited with how it turned out. We let him see it this morning. So last night the kids actually had a sleepover in the living room, and that's what he wanted to do for his birthday. So instead of doing it tonight, we had them do it last night so that we could get his room put together, because originally he would have been in school today, and so that was my original plan, was to put his room together while he was at school, and then when he got home he would have his room all done and the presents and all that good stuff. But obviously school is out right now, so trying to find, I bought a can of condensed milk for this recipe. There it is.
I don't even think I need this yet, honestly. But I thought I would go and show you guys kind of an idea of what I am making him for his birthday cake. But anyways, yeah, so last night he didn't see his room at all. And he did know we were doing it because at one point he came into the hall to put something in his room and forgot that we asked him not to come in the hall. So he saw that we were in his room, so he knew something was up, but he didn't see all the details and stuff. I don't know what I'm looking for. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, so this morning was a surprise and he saw all the details. I think the coolest part is the, I don't know why my camera keeps shutting off. The coolest part is the LED lights. Man, I cannot do two things at once apparently. This is crazy. Let's see. I'm just pulling everything out that I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to tell you guys kind of what I'm making. He requested a Milky Way cake, and I couldn't find like a Milky Way cake anywhere, so I actually looked up a chocolate caramel cake, and then I got some Milky Ways I'm gonna put on top. So basically, let me put this all over here and then I'll show you guys what we're using. So I am going easy this year. I always make the kids their cakes from scratch. Well, I shouldn't say always, but usually I try to. But this year we're going super easy. So the recipe called for chocolate cake. I'm just going to use a box cake. And then what makes it yummy and like a Milky Way is that you take condensed milk and you mix it with caramel. And then it's a dot cake. So I'm going to, once the cake is cooked, I'm going to put little, I'm going to use the end of a spoon and make like little dots in it. And then I'm going to pour the condensed milk caramel mixture over the top. Let that soak in, and then we're going to top it with some Cool Whip, put a little bit of chocolate syrup, and then I bought some Milky Ways that I'm going to chop up and put on the top. So, going to be super yummy, but yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and make this cake right now. It's about 12, and we're not going to have this until after dinner, obviously, but that way it has time to cool, and we can let the condensed milk and the caramel soak up in there, and it'll be really yummy tonight when we have it. So that is what I'm going to work on now. Kids are outside playing, and I just finished moving all the stuff into our dining area. So I just put the sign up here above the window, and then he has the stars around the side, and I moved all of his presents out here. But I am going to go ahead and end the vlog here, you guys. The kids are gonna play a little bit longer until my husband finishes work, and then we are ordering pizza because that is what my son wants for dinner, and I'm so excited for that cake. It looks so good. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.